미국 역사에서 유래를 찾아보기 어려울 정도의 강력한 금융정책, 이른바 금주법이 한창이던 1928년의 로스앤젤레스.
Walter, honey.
Just tomorrow.
You can sleep in tomorrow. That's what Saturdays are for. All right. Got it. Got it, look.
주인공 크리스틴은 사랑하는 아들 월터와 함께 소소하지만 행복한 일상을 보내고 있었고,
Here's your books. Go ahead.
If you hold just a moment, I'll get a supervisor. She's coming right now.
You deal with this one. I'm not going near it. Hello, this is the supervisor. How can I help you?
혹여나 아빠라는 빈자리를 느끼지 않을까 전화교환원이라는 또 다른 역할에 최선을 다하고 있었는데요.
So my dad ran off because he didn't like me.
Honey, your father never met you, so how could he not like you?
Then why did he leave?
Well, because the day you were born, something else arrived in the mail. It was in a box a little bit bigger than you. You know what was in it? Something called responsibility.
So he ran away because he was scared of what was in that box? That's just dumb.
That is exactly what I thought.
I'm afraid so's born.
Are we still going to the movies tomorrow?
문제는 팀장이라는 자리를 유지하기 위해 남들보다 더 많은 희생을 감내하고 있었다는 거죠.
Hello. Fine. No. I just, I promised Walter that I'd take him to the movie. All right. I'll see you then. There's sandwich and milk in the Riley and her daughter to stop in a couple of hours. Tomorrow, we will go to the movie. I'll be home before it gets dark.
그 누구의 방해도 없이 오롯이 아들과 보낼 수 있는 주말을 앗아가는 세상 속상한 상황이었지만, 나라도 일손을 거들지 않으면 말 그대로 난리가 날게 불보듯 뻔한 상황. 월터에 대한 미안함을 뒤로한 채 출근길에 오를 수밖에 없었고.
Good. I was hoping to catch you. Following your work report, I am very impressed.
Thank you, Mr. Harris.
Oh, Ben, please. Listen, we're looking to take on a manager, and if you're interested in the job, I could write a report.
Could we speak about it Monday?
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you so much.
자꾸만 월터의 모습이 눈에 밟히기 시작 걸음을 재촉할 수밖에 없었는데요.
Walter! Honey? Walter! Honey? Walter? Honey? Walter? Walter, it's time to come in, honey! Susie, have you seen Walter?
No, Mrs. Collins. Sorry.
끼니도 챙겨 먹지 않은 아이가 그 어디에서도 보이지 않았던 것. 결국 불안함을 안고 수화기를 들 수밖에 없었죠.
My police have the police station. I'm calling to report a missing child.
How long has he been gone?
I'm not sure. I just got home from work. It could be since this morning, or it could be just the last hour.
Well, maybe he's lost track of time.
No. He always stays around the house when it gets dark. Would you please send someone down here?
I'm sorry, but our policy is for 24 hours. 99 times out of 100, the kid shows up by...
No, that's not Walter. He doesn't do that.
엄마의 애간장이 타들어가는 걸 아는지 모르는지 아침이 되면 언제 그랬냐는 듯 거짓말처럼 아이가 돌아와 있을 거라는 이야기였지만, 결국 날이 바뀌어도 월터는 집으로 돌아오지 못했고.
Our thoughts go out again. In Collins of Lincoln Heights appeared nearly 2 weeks ago. On the radio and in the newspaper, the Los Angeles Police Department very best, and I'm sure that that is true.
강력한 금주법의 시행으로 가정폭력의 예방과 노동 생산성을 높여보겠다는 의도였지만, 현실은 밀주업자와 공권력이 결탁하며 가장 청렴해야 할 경찰들이 온갖 부패의 온상이 되어버렸던 것. 자연스레 시민들의 불만은 하루가 다르게 커질 수밖에 없었고.
I understand. Thank you. Call back in a few weeks. Las Vegas Missing Persons Department.
Hello, this is Christine Collins.
Who meet the description that matches Walter Collins?
팀장으로 자리도 지켜야 하고 틈날 때마다 아들의 행방을 수소문해야만 하는 힘겨운 나날을 보낼 수밖에 없었는데요.
$2. Hell, I think I left my wallet at home. Can I owe it to you? No credit. Pay up or I call the cops. I'm not trying to stiff you, Chief. I just left my wallet. I'll go back and get it. 5, 10 minutes tops. Got collateral? Can't ask for better collateral than a man's own flesh and blood. You stay here, son. I'll be right back. 10 minutes, and I call the cops. You got me, Sheriff Larson.
감쪽같이 월터가 사라진 지도 어느덧 3개월여 크리스틴은 믿기 어려운 소식을 접할 수 있었죠.
Mrs. Collins. I'm Captain J.J. Jones, Lincoln Park Juvenile Division. He's alive. He was picked up 2 days ago by local police in DeKalb, Illinois. He was in the company of some drifter. We have an APB out, but he's safe.
크리스틴을 제외하고 모두가 포기했었던 믿기 어려운 기적의 발생, 지금이야말로 추락한 민심을 회복할 기회라고 판단했는지 LA 경찰청은 대대적인 보도자료를 배포, 전국에서 몰려든 기자들로 인해 말 그대로 장사진이 따로 없었고
I'd like to introduce you to James E. Davis, Chief of Police.
We don't get a lot of positive attention from the boys in the press, so it's good to be here with a positive story, don't you think? Take it you've been treated well by my boys in the department?
I couldn't file a report for 24 hours?
Technicalities aside.
Wonderful.
Oh, good.
Women. Keep them back.
마침내 꿈에 그리던 아들과 마주할 순간이 다가오고 있었는데요.
It's not my son.
What?
It's not my son.
Sure you're mistaken. He's been through 5 terrible long months.
I would know my own son.
What's your name? Can you tell me your name?
Walter Collins.
Where do you live, Walter?
I live at 210 Avenue 23, California. And that's my mommy.
자신을 월터라고 소개하고 우리 집의 주소도 정확히 알고 있는 소년의 등장, 귀신이 곡할 노릇이 아닐 수 없었죠.
Once he's around his familiar surrounding, you've given yourself time to recover. You will see that this is your Walter. This is your son. Any problems at all, you come and you talk to Mrs. Collins. He has nowhere else to go. Please.
All right.
이 기적 같은 일을 취재하겠다고 전국에서 기자들이 몰려들었고 나를 제외한 모두가 이 아이를 나의 아들이라고 주장하는 전혀 예상치 못했던 상황 때문이었을까. 결국 이 소년을 월터라고 인정하는 실수를 범하게 되고 그렇게 세상 불편한 동거를 시작하게 되는데요.
Sandwich all right? Would you like some more milk?
No.
Covered in soot from the train. We should take a bath. Pajamas are on the edge of the bed.
Oh!
You okay?
I fell stupid tough.
You're circumcised. Get out. Last time I measured my son. He was inches taller than you are now. Who are you? What are you doing here?
내 정신이 온전치 못한 것도 아니고 아이가 마음고생이 심해서도 아닌 절대로 내 아이가 아니라는 확신을 얻을 수 있었죠.
He's not my son.
Mrs. Thought we agreed to give him time to adjust.
He's 3 inches shorter. He's circumcised, and Walter isn't.
Your son was missing for 5 months. Who knows what such a disturbance might have done?
Made him shorter? Why aren't you listening to me?
And I understand your feeling. You've both been through a terrible experience, and that's why he needs your love and support. Now,
He's not my son.
why are you doing this, Mrs. Collins? You seem perfectly capable of taking care of the boy, running away from your responsibilities as a mother. His identity has been confirmed. Field of child identification.
I'm sorry. I really do, and I don't any trouble. I can find my son before it's too late. Please.
Yes, Captain?
Dr. Tarr on the phone.
Yes, sir.
Captain Jones, consult with him from time to time on juveniles.
Thank you for coming. I was beginning to think you didn't believe me.
I'm here now, and we'll put all that to rights. Handsome young man. He has your eyes, doesn't he? And a little bit of the nose.
경찰 소속이 아닌 자문위원이라는 사실에 잠시나마 안도할 수 있었지만 도착하기 무섭게 나를 빼닮았다며 가스라이팅을 시전하고 있었고
Come. He's 3 inches shorter.
We've known for some time that trauma can affect the growth of children. Given the stress of the past 5 months, his spine may have actually shrunk. It's uncommon, but it's within the realm of possibility.
Uncircumcision?
Very likely his abductor. All circumcision is hygienically sound. Must have been quite traumatic at the time. No wonder he's submerged the memory.
Whether or not he's my son, I'm the mother.
Which means you're in no position to be objective. Who has changed from what you remember? Just as a boy that goes off to war and then returns is not the same anymore. Sees these changes and rebels. Insists that this isn't your son.
무작정 자신을 믿어달라는 반장 대신 온갖 과학적인 근거를 내미는 더한 빌런의 등장. 크리스틴의 갑갑함은 그 한도를 넘어서고 있었는데요.
I'm finished. Can I go to my room now?
Yes.
Good night, Mommy.
Stop saying that! I'm not your mother! I want my son back! I want my son back! I was wrong to yell at you. You're just a child, and I don't think you know what you're doing. But I need you to understand that my son is my life. He's all I have. You just have to tell them that you're not my son so they can find my son. Please.
Mrs. Christine Collins.
Yes.
My name is Gustav Briegleb, St. Paul's Presbyterian. Have you read the Times this morning?
No.
Well, maybe you should give it a gander and then come over here.
To determine the cause of his loss of weight, fusion, and rundown condition of the boy to his mother last Monday.
Lovely bit of phrasing, isn't it? Not only does that clearly concern for the boy's welfare while he...
유일하게 나의 목소리에 귀를 기울여주는 귀인 구스타브 목사님을 만날 수 있었죠.
Of course, in my examination, I found nothing of the LAPD.
Why would they do this?
Avoid admitting they made a mistake. Half a brain would see through it instantly. Mrs. Collins, I've made it my mission. None of us ever knew about corruption and intimidation.
당시 미 전역이 부패의 온상이 되었다고 해도 과언이 아니었지만 타의 추종을 불허할 정도로 제대로 썩어버린 LA 경찰청의 실체를 파헤치려던 찰나에 마주하게 된 크리스틴의 사연. 전폭적인 지지를 아끼지 않겠다는 약속을 받아낼 수 있었고
He had 2 cavities that needed filling. He put up a fight, but I took care of it. The boy in that room has no such gap.
Would you be willing to put that officially in writing?
Pardon my language, but hell yeah.
Do you know who I am?
You're a teacher.
Yes, but even teachers have names. What's mine?
I don't remember. I don't remember your name.
Mrs. Fox. Now take your seat. I didn't say take a seat. I said take. You must know where it is for over a year now. Mrs. Collins, if that's your son, I'll eat my yards. Not only will I put it in writing, I will testify to it.
목사님의 조언대로 5개월 만에 나타난 아이가 내 아들이 아니라는 자료를 하나둘 모으기 시작. 결국 강압에 못 이겨 거짓된 연기를 펼쳐왔단 사실을 밝히게 되는데요.
Thank you very much.
I want you to find the Collins woman and get her here. Bring her in the back way.
Yes, sir.
Captain's orders. Punch jammed with reporter.
Please sit down, miss. Captain Jones will be right with you. Anyone want to take a call from the Canadian Mount? Juvenile living here illegally deported back to Canada. You want it?
Take it. Got nothing better to do. Mrs. Collins? Oh, you've caused us quite a bit of trouble, miss. Become an embarrassment for the entire police department for the months we spent working on your case.
Of course not. I want you to find my son.
Trying to shirk your responsibilities as a mother. You enjoyed being a free woman, didn't you? See anyone you wanted. And that's why you cooked up this scheme.
자신들의 잘못을 인정하는 게 아닌 모성애를 저버린 여자로 크리스틴을 몰아가던 그때
Mrs. Collins insists that the boy out there is not your son.
Yes, I do. Please don't struggle. What?
County General Hospital psychopathic ward. Take her away.
No.
아들이 아니라는 증거를 모으고 관련 내용을 언론에 배포하면 나의 목소리에 귀를 기울이지 않을까라는 기대도 잠시. 문제는 LA 경찰청은 우리의 상상보다 훨씬 더 악랄한 곳이었다는 사실.
Another code 12.
No, please, the police.
I have to put you in a straitjacket. Behave yourself. Code 12.
그렇게 졸지에 크리스틴은 정신질환자가 되어 있었죠.
No problem? Overheated, that's all. Hey, listen, could you give me a hand? I'm trying to find a place called the Northcott Ranch up by one. Northcott Ranch, huh? Yeah. You're almost there. Is something going on out there? No. Just looking into a juvenile matter. Thanks for your help. Sure?
불법 체류 중인 소년이 있다더니 이미 종적을 감춰버린 건가. 이바라의 아쉬움이 묻어나기 시작하던 그때
Hey! Come here! It's the police! I have a warrant for a minor named Sanford Clark. Open the door or stand aside. Push your face to this floor!
Come on. What the hell is wrong with you, kid? Huh? We're just sending you back to Canada, son.
What?
Well, you can't stay in the U.S. as long as you want, pal.
No word from Miss Collins.
We haven't heard from her.
Get on down to her house.
크리스틴을 라디오 게스트로 초대. 그녀의 억울함을 만천하에 전화를 했었지만 정신병원에 감금당하고 있을 거라는 건 감히 상상조차 할 수 없었는데요.
I'd like a ticket to Canada.
Road trip?
One way.
Thank you. There you go. Very true.
같은 시간 완벽하게 손발이 잘려나간 크리스틴은 헤어놓을 수 없는 무력감에 허우적대고 있었죠.
You should eat. You gotta do everything you can to look normal. It's the only chance you got. My name's Carol Dexter. What's yours?
Christine Collins.
Finish it all. I know it's hard, but you gotta try. I heard them talking. You're here on Code 12. Police action. Brought you here. There must be a good reason for it.
There isn't a good reason for it. I'm perfectly sane, and I will explain that to them.
Hell, the more you try to act sane, the crazier you start to look. You smile too much. You're delusional. You're stifling hysteria. If you don't smile, you're depressed.
You've given this a lot of thought?
Don't you get it? You're Code 12, so am I. We're here for the exact same reasons. We both pissed off the cops. You see that lady there? She's married to a cop who kept beating her up. When she tried to tell somebody about it, he brought her here.
조금의 주저함도 없이 크리스틴을 감금할 수 있었던 이유는 경찰의 심기를 건드렸다며 이미 수많은 여성들을 감금한 이력을 가지고 있었기 때문이었는데요.
Every once in a while, they say something that's a little inconvenient. They just go. If we're insane, nobody has to listen to us. And once they get us in here, we either shut up or we don't go home. Or we go home like that.
그런데 이 좌절의 순간 믿기 어려운 반전의 서막이 펼쳐지기 시작하죠.
Stop it.
Sanford Clark? Paperwork's come through. Forwarded back to Canada day after tomorrow. There we'll decide what to do with you next.
Wait, I'd like to talk to the officer who brought me in.
Sure, he has far more important things to
Please,
do.
it's important.
Christine Collins.
Dr. Jonathan Steele, please. Have a seat. I hope your stay with us has been comfortable so far.
Yes.
I think it'd be quite difficult at first.
Yes, it was. Of course, it was very difficult, but comfortable enough.
According to your file, you believe that the police substituted a fake boy for your son.
No, I didn't say he was a fake boy. He's not my boy.
That's strange because I have a newspaper article, a photo of you at the train station welcoming home your son. That is you in the photo, isn't it?
Yes.
So, at first he was your son, and now he's not your son. Been going on for a long time, people changing, becoming something other than what they are.
수감 동기의 조언대로 최대한 정상인 척을 해보려고 했지만 조금의 빈틈도 느껴지지 않는 전문의의 날선 질문들. 이내 곧 어떻게 하더라도 이곳을 벗어날 수 없을 거라는 불안함이 커지기 시작했고.
Sorry to bring you out in this weather, detective.
All right. See what he has to say so I can go home and get dry.
무언가 석연치 않은 느낌. 문제의 꼬마를 다시 찾을 수밖에 없었는데요.
My cousin is Gordon Northcott. He owns the ranch where he found me. He said I could live there in exchange I watched the place, chores and stuff like that.
You saying that he held you prisoner? Bull. When I got there, you were running around free as a jaybird. Could have left any time you wanted.
No.
So what's this, huh?
Look, you don't understand what he's like, what we did, what he made me do.
What did he make you do?
He killed some kids. I didn't mean to, I swear. He made me help him. He said if I didn't, he'd kill me too.
What kids? What are you talking about?
I don't know, I never knew their names.
How many? How many kids?
About 20, I guess.
You're lying.
고작 15살밖에 되지 않은 소년이 사촌형의 강압에 못 이겨 살인을 저질렀다는 믿기 어려운 이야기가 아닐 수 없었죠.
Never hit the same part of town twice.
Well, there you are. We've been looking for you like mad.
How?
They've been in an accident. Sent us to come find you. Now they're hurt real bad. Come on.
A lot of kids will get in a car, but when he's got a kid there, that made it easy. Every time they got in the truck, I just wanted to die. As soon as we got back to the ranch, they went in the coop.
These kids. You think if you saw him again, you think you might be able to recognize him?
I don't know, maybe.
Should be. Just go through these, okay? If you see any you recognize, just put them down on the table here.
He's lying.
20 kids, sir. This kid, he's scared half out of his mind.
He picked the Collins kid. We found him.
최근 실종이 접수된 아이들의 대다수가 이 끔찍한 범죄의 희생양이 되었다는 주장이었지만 오히려 월터를 지목한 것이 소년의 거짓말을 뒷받침하는 방증이라는 반론이었고.
Oh, Jesus, John. Avar, now I'm ordering you to get your ass back here with that kid. You don't talk to anybody and you bring me that kid. You got it?
What the hell have you done with Christine Collins? Several of her neighbors saw her being driven away.
Mrs. Collins has been placed in protective following a mental breakdown.
Oh, what?
She's getting the best treatment, and that will be all.
미 연방 최고의 부패 경찰청이라는 타이틀은 그냥 주어지는 게 아니었던 것. 단순히 상부의 지시를 무조건적으로 따르는 게 아닌 모든 일처리에 있어 이해하기 어려울 정도의 놀라운 신념과 자신감을 드러내고 있었는데요.
Excuse me. It's alright, I can take it from here.
무언가 석연치 못하다는 판단이었을까 반장의 지시를 무시하고 또다시 문제의 농장을 찾게 되죠.
Check the house. Just take the barn.
It's all clear.
Clear here.
Right. Let's go. Come on. You gotta show me. Come on, show me. That's it? You sure?
Yeah.
Dig. You put him in the ground, you can take him out of the ground. You heard me. Dig.
그렇게 끔찍한 사건을 밝혀낼 수 있을 거라는 기대와 반장의 주장대로 거짓말이길 바라는 마음이 교차하기 시작하던 그때
Call it in. Then put out an APB on Gordon Stewart Northcott. Stop. Stop now. We can take it from...
이 황량한 목장에서 무려 20명이 넘는 아이들이 비극적인 죽음을 맞았다는 사실과 마주하게 되고
Who is in charge here?
I'm the head doctor on duty.
You're the doctor who locked up Christine Collins? Discuss this one. Read it.
You're free to leave.
What?
Your clothes are in the next room. You can change there. See to it. Christ.
목사님의 도움으로 마침내 자유의 몸이 될 수 있었는데요. 문제는 살해당한 아이들 가운데 내 아이가 포함되어 있다는 기사가 크리스틴을 기다리고 있었다는 거죠.
Captain, your handling of the Christine Collins department of public ridicule.
So nobody could have known what was happening up at that. The sheriff's department and the marshal's office. Still not convinced that her boy is among the victims up in Winewood. That looked a lot like him. The Clark kid could have been mistaken.
Which begs the obvious question, who cares?
Sir?
The mayor wants this to go away. I want this to go.
더 이상 크리스틴이란 여자가 여론을 선동하지 못하도록 진실 여부와 상관없이 월터라는 아이가 사망한 것으로 사건을 종결하는 의미였는데요.
Hi, sis.
Gordon, I didn't know you were back in town.
Surprise you, is that okay?
Yes, of course. Come on in.
Where's that little niece of mine?
Should be back this evening. Bob's here.
Listen, can I use your bathroom? It's been a long ride and I could really use a shower. All right, go next door. I'll call the police. He's upstairs, sir.
우리가 아는 가족이라고 하면 보통 무조건적인 지지를 하는 게 정상이지만 어려서부터 남달랐던 폭력적인 성향이 고든의 발목을 잡아치기 시작했고
Yes, ma'am.
And I have a court order for the immediate release of all women pending a formal inquiry into the reasons for their detainment.
I can't authorize you.
Madam, stand aside.
목사님에 이어 크리스틴의 안타까운 사연을 접한 변호사까지 그녀의 편에 서며 본격적인 반격의 서막을 알리고 있었는데요.
Do you have anything to say to the parents of the children you murdered?
No comment.
Mayor Cryer, this is unexpected.
So is this. Mr. Hahn and his new client, Christine Collins. You don't have to look them over too closely, Chief. Your own copy should be coming anytime. The City Council has also agreed to look into this. Damn it. Thought this was supposed to go away. This is an election year. I can't afford.
It is going away, sir. I've instructed Captain Jones.
Afraid falling on his sword, saying he made a mistake isn't going to be good enough. If we take him out of the picture, just might help calm things down. The hearing's finished.
자신들의 자리를 보전해보겠다고 여론이 더 악화되기 이전에 꼬리를 자르겠다는 의미 관련된 청문회에도 다른 일정이 있다며 증언을 거부하는 초유의 뻔뻔함에 혀를 내두를 수밖에 없던 그때
Are there anybody here representing the police?
With me for just a moment. There's something I think you should see. The police decided it'd be best to keep this off the main dock chaos we have across the street.
Mrs. Collins, I'm Leanne Clay. I just wanted to pass along my sympathies. What we went through waiting to hear anything. Our son David was bad enough. No call at all.
All right.
I saw you in the papers. You got a lot of moxie standing up to the police like that.
Gordon Stewart, Northcott, you've been charged with 3 counts of murder in the first degree, with an additional 17 counts under review by the district attorney's office. How do you plead?
Oh, not guilty, Your Honor.
In light of the defendant's penchant for international travel, no bail. The court will hear preliminary motions by tomorrow morning.
Was reported as missing March 10th. On August 18th, cable indicating that a boy description was found in DeKalb, Illinois.
Where Mrs. Collins told you the boy was not her son. But as subsequent events have demonstrated, she was correct. What prompted you to send her for psychological evaluation?
Throughout this period, she acted strange, especially when confronted with the boy we found and in our subsequent conversation.
Just like that. You snap your fingers and an innocent woman. What does matter matter is that her incarceration was ordered without a warrant.
이미 윗선들이 존스를 손절해버린 만큼 반장의 독단적인 결정으로 이 사태에 이르게 되었다는 분위기가 형성되고 있었는데요.
At some point, while all this was going on, Walter Collins was brutally murdered, along with as many as 19 other boys. Is that correct, Captain?
Yes, it is.
No further questions.
So, after much effort, we were able to identify this boy as Arthur Hutchins, Cedar Rapids, Iowa. Allow me to introduce you to the boy's real mother, Janet Hutchins.
이때다 싶었는지 소년의 자작극으로 몰아가기 시작 두 가지 미제 사건을 해결했다며 LA 경찰청은 또다시 엄청난 보도자료를 뿌려대고 있었죠.
I'm in here, Reverend. Walter was here. I used to walk by his room when he was sleeping. And even though I couldn't see him or hear him, I could feel him. That's why I don't think Walter's dead. I can still feel him.
Mrs. Collins?
I know what the police said, but that place and the remains, they couldn't be properly identified. And maybe that kid made a mistake when he picked Walter's picture.
I understand you don't want to accept it, but I think it's time for you to start over for yourself. Your son would want you to move on.
Maybe. Maybe he'd want me to keep looking for him.
We should go, man.
We, the jury, find the defendant, Gordon Stewart Northcott, guilty on all counts of murder in the first degree.
모든 증거와 정황들이 이미 월터가 세상을 떠났다고 이야기하고 있었지만 과학적으로 설명할 수 없는 느낌과 자그마한 기대까지 더해져 크리스틴만이 아들의 생존을 믿어 의심치 않았고
Does the defendant wish to make a statement before judgment is passed?
I want to make it real clear from this court. The only one in here worth a good goddamn is her. Isn't it? Killed your boy, Mrs. Collins.
Gordon Stewart Northcott, it is the judgment of this court until October the 2nd, 1930. On that date, you will be hanged by the neck until dead.
자신이 기억하는 한 월터라는 아이를 죽이지 않았다는 희망 고문을 남긴 채 고든은 사형 선고를 받게 되는데요.
This is Christine Collins. I called yesterday. I was wondering if you had a chance to look through the files. My son, Walter Collins.
그렇게 2년 전과 별다를 것 없는 일상을 살아가던 그때
Well, we received a very strange telegram. Gordon Northcott. He's asked to see you before he dies. He says he lied when he testified that he didn't kill Walter. He says if you come up to see him in person, he'll tell you the truth to your face.
사형 집행을 고작 이틀 앞둔 시점 거짓말 같은 이야기를 접할 수 있었죠.
20 minutes.
Mr. Northcott, you asked me to come here. You would tell me the truth about my son.
Yeah. The thing is, I didn't really think that you would come. And now, I just didn't expect that you... I don't want to see you.
You don't want to see me?
Mrs. Collins, to send a telegram, that is really easy. When it's here, in person, I can't tell you.
Why not?
See, I did my penance. I don't want to go to hell with a lie.
20명이나 되는 희생자 가운데에 당신의 아들은 존재하지 않는다며 희망을 심어주더니 이제 와서 지옥에 갈 수 없다며 이 모든 게 거짓말이었다는 황당한 고백을 이어가기 시작 얼마 남지 않은 멘탈마저 산산이 부서질 수밖에 없었고
Gordon Stewart Northcott, you have been convicted of murder, the penalty for which is death by hanging. Do you have any last words?
Nothing. I kept clean after I confessed, Reverend, just like I said I would.
You don't make me walk so fast! No!
마지막으로 자신은 회개를 마쳤으니 천국으로 갈 거라고 믿어 의심치 않는 연쇄살인마의 말로 그런데 그의 믿음이 100% 틀렸다고 확신할 수 있는 이유는 마치 자신이 지옥에 떨어질 걸 예상이라도 한 것처럼 죽음 자체를 두려워하고 있었다는 거죠.
We're having a party tonight for the Academy show. Oh, come on, please. Go have a good night. I have the radio. Good night. Good night. Listen, I really...
I'm meeting some friends at Musso and Frank. They're going to pipe in the movie ceremonies. I'd love it if you'd come.
I just have so much work I should be doing. Dan, I put $2 down on It Happened One Night to win Best Picture. But if it wins, do you want to celebrate tomorrow night at dinner?
Deal, Christine. See you.
모두가 예상한 클레오파트라를 제치고 크리스틴의 배팅이 맞아 떨어진 그때
Dinner is on me. Yes, it is.
The police just called. They found a boy, Christine.
Where?
Lincoln Heights Precinct.
고든의 농장에서 살아남았다고 주장하는 믿기 어려운 소식이 아닐 수 없었는데요.
Were there other boys there?
Yeah. 5, I think.
You remember any of their names?
And Walter.
Do you remember Walter's last name?
Collins. Walter Collins.
월터를 포함한 총 3명이 탈출을 감행했고 구사일생으로 농장을 벗어날 수 있었다는 믿기 어려운 이야기를 접할 수 있었죠.
Boys, I'm coming after you! They're not in there! Come on! Get in the car!
What's the last I saw of any of them?
So you don't know if either of the other two were captured?
No. All I know is if Walter hadn't come back for me, I don't think I ever would have gotten out of there.
1920년대 가장 잔혹한 사건으로 기록된 와인빌 양계장 살인 사건을 모티브로 하는 작품. 클린트 이스트우드 감독 특유의 차분하고 건조한 시선과 안젤리나 졸리의 재발견이라고 할 수 있는 독보적인 연기력이 만나 아직까지 많은 대중들의 머리와 가슴 속에 자리 잡고 있는 영화로 기억되고 있는데요.
5 years, case closed, everyone thinks he's dead, and there he is. Wouldn't be if it wasn't for Walter. Your son did a brave thing, Mrs. Collins. Still think he's out there?
Why not? 3 boys made a run for it that night. One got out, then either or both of the others did too. But either way, it gives me something I didn't have.
What's that?
Hope.
감독은 이 영화가 단순히 아이를 찾는 영화로만 읽히지 않기를 바랐다고는 하지만 그럼에도 그녀 나이 73세로 생을 마감할 때까지 아들과의 재회를 손꼽아 기다렸다는 사실에 더욱 가슴이 아렸던 작품. 여러분들은 어떠셨나요?